In this episode, I'm in Laponia, a region in the Swedish Laplands.
Oh, titta!
And I'll be grilling freshly caught whitefish served with local potatoes in a brown butter glaze. Very good.
Yeah.
See, this is a great fun. That is pretty amazing. Not many places in Sweden you can travel, and then you're going to have to share the road with a reindeer like this. And he doesn't seem to be bothered by us at all, not even the slightest. I don't know whether I'm supposed to put my indicator on and just pass him, or just sit here. I don't know. Well, after a few minutes, the reindeers decided to let me pass, and I'm on my way again. So I've taken the car to meet up with a family who are farmers. And they've been farmers here for about 7 generations. And they also do quite a lot of fishing, even now when there's ice on the lakes. Oh, this is absolutely fantastic. Look at
Där
that.
har vi.
So that's where the net starts? Or?
Yeah.
And this is to break the hole in the ice
Yeah.
again? Just go around it?
Yeah.
So there we go.
Yeah. And then we can take away the ice. We have to tie the net. And then we have to go, you know...
Do you want me to get the line out?
Yeah, we have to get the line out.
Okay, good. So this is a really cool way of fishing. When you got ice, you can make 2 holes, get the net in there, and all you have to do is attach a piece of string to one end of the net, like this one, and then you pull it up with the other end, and then you just pull it back again. And here we are. Here's the net. So let's see if we get fish.
Yeah.
We have seaweed so far.
Oh, titta!
Not bad at all.
Wow.
Look at that. That is a good.
Kolla.
That's a good sized fish. Not bad at all.
Nice one.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's one.
We have very nice fish in this lake because it's a very deep and cold lake, you see. The deepest in this lake is 140
140 meters.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have more fish. Look at
Oh,
that.
it was nice. Men jag brukar ha att jag brukar
Can it ligga i?
stå.
Oh,
That-
but look at that. We have more fish.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a bass.
My father's favorite fish. He
Look at
lived
that.
here.
That was it. That's
Yeah.
the end of it. Well, we got 3 really nice fish.
Yeah.
2 whitefish and 1 bass. That's going to be good food for all of us. Everybody's here.
Yeah.
Future generation fishermen. This is family business. I've just cleaned the fish. I've taken the scales out, and I'm just going to make some incisions on each side of the fish so that the heat can penetrate and I can get a bit of salt in there as well. There we go, just rub it in. My fish is prepped. And now it has to be thread onto the stick. Just go in here, and then you're just going to have to feel that you've got the stick close to the backbone. Now I'm up here. Here we go. And there we go. That's my fish stick. So let's go down to the pie. That's it. Yep. Fish on a stick. That's going to cook beautifully over there. And with a fish like that, you need something really good to go with it. But I don't want to make it too overpowering because that is a delicious fish by itself. But I do have some fantastic potatoes. This particular potato is called Reindeer potato. And that's a really nice potato. Delicious. I plan to make some browned butter, and I'm going to flavor that butter with a lot of things here. I've got some Swedish-style anchovies. They're sweet, salty things with lots of nice spices in them, like allspice and stuff like that. I've got some really nice shallots, a bit of dill, and some lemon. Okay, so we've got our amazing potatoes, and it's time to make that browned butter. When browning the butter, you need to give it time. Time to develop those caramel flavors that we're looking for here. So while that butter sits there and gets browned and caramelized, we're going to peel and chop the onions. So we just need a deciliter or so with finely chopped shallots. Roughly a deciliter. I thought you were over there, but you're not. You're there. So now lemons. I'm going to fillet the lemon and just cut those segments down into bits and pieces. So when you eat it, it's going to be brown butter, and then you bite into the lemon, and then you get the acidity. So now the peel is off, and all you have to do now is cut in between the lines, and the segments will just fall out. We also need a bit of dill here. Dill, love it. Can't live without it. So about the same amount of dill as I have onions. And now for a bit of anchovies here. Classic Swedish flavors. Now all of this is going to go into the brown butter. So anchovies, dill, onions, and finally the lemon wedges. Stir that around, and you've got yourself something that is quite exquisite. Yeah, that looks really good. Now let's go down and have a look at the fish. Now here you can see just how well the fish is cooked. All the way through, nice and crisp skin. Listen. That is good. Good stuff. Delicious. It's plating time. Have a seat. On your bridge, on your jetty.
Very good.
Very good. At the Lake Sagat, I will meet with Tor Henrik, and he treats me with a local specialty, coffee cheese.
The point is that you keep it in the cup, in the warm coffee, let it melt, and when it's a little bit soaked and squeaky, then you eat it after you finish the coffee. So it's like you get something hot and then also some more substantial.
It's like a halloumi.
Yeah, a little bit.
Sort of texture, but not the flavor.
The flavor is totally different.
It's delicious. I like the flavor it gives to the coffee. I get my black coffee.
Which you like, and then you get the flavor of the cheese.
Cake as well. Yeah. So what's it like being Sami today?
Sami today, and especially young Samis, are taking back their identity and taking back their culture, taking back their language.
Because you weren't even allowed to be spoken in school, at least.
In some places where they had the boarding schools, they were not allowed to speak Sami in the schools. So we have a full generation of Samis that were not allowed to speak the language. Culturally Samis, but they don't speak the language.
Yeah.
But their children are now taking back the language.
So the younger generation is they're bringing it back.
They bring it back.
So that's good news. A traditional part of the Sami heritage is a form of song called Yoik. Singing a Yoik is meant to reflect or evoke a person, animal, or a place. There are two very strong ingredients in this region. On one hand, you've got the rich and unique culture of the Sami, and on the other hand, you've got this vast and impressive wilderness. And the combination of the two just creates something out of the ordinary. It humbles you. So if you're looking for an experience that will stay with you for a very, very long time and might even change you a bit, you should definitely come here. I guarantee that you will feel welcome. Or as they say in the Sami language, "Vuoris vuotem."